How to upload images in Canva app in Android phone. So open the Canva app. It's pretty fast. Now once the Canva is opened, go to create section and select any of the thing which you want. Let's say if I want Instagram post or Facebook post, I'll just select Instagram post. You will see a blank screen, or it will ask you to select the template or generate design. And here at the bottom, you will find uploads. So from here, you can find the previous images, video, audio, whatever you have uploaded in Canva will be shown here. And you can upload files from here as well. Like this, you can go to the section where you have saved it and you can upload files, videos, images in Canva app. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.